Okay, so good evening, namaste. I think after 3 days of gap, again we are with the thank you universe. If you remember, the last topic was vibration, energy. We all are energy. I mean, everything is energy. Now, when everything is energy, we vibrate at certain level. When you think, how can I reach my energy vibration? How I can be powerful? Because when you raise your vibration up, you have definitely good health, wealth, happiness. Why I'm saying? Because the more you vibrate upper level, when you radiate and vibrate upper level, you are connecting with the higher level vibration of people. Your association is with the high level people. It's a warning. You may lose your some good friends, some people, because you are vibrating at upper level. You are going at upper level. You may lose some friends, you may lose some association, you may lose some close people, you may lose some long relationships also, because you are vibrating. There is some certain level you are there. This is association. Now when vibrating up, you are going to certain upper level. So this you are leaving and you are going to the another association. That's why we leave some people in the life. This is all according to your vibration. Now when your energy, vibration, you are doing all things, your everything goes like, you did breathing, you did all good things. Now how you have three very natural method to raise your vibration, and which is in our hand. Now what is that? The first is sun. Sun is the source of energy. We all know sun is the source of energy. Now what you can do routinely, you can expose yourself to the sun at least evening or morning, when the ultraviolet ray is very less. I mean early morning when sun rises and the sunset. During that time, you can expose yourself 30 minutes. I think that's why our old people used to say you need to do sunrise morning walk 30 minutes, right? Reason for this. The second is you must eat vegetables. Why today's generation is not having more energy? The first is the fast food we are moving. It may taste your tongue, but even this is not giving energy to your stomach. Now why vegetable? When vegetables photosynthesis method is going on, the vegetable stores sun energy. The vegetable stores sun energy. When you eat that vegetable, it transfers to your body and it gives you energy, right? When you take meat, chicken, everything, it's a dead cells. You are taking the dead energy into body. It may taste you, it may give some nutrition, but this is not giving energy because it's not having living energy. So vegetables can provide you the best energy during the photosynthesis method. It keeps the energy stores and that can transport to your body. The third method, I need to refer book, right? Collective energy. Okay. Now this is first sun. You are storing vegetables. Now I came here. Now when you are raising your vibration, you change your association from one association to second association. Now this is we say the collective energy. Collective energy. Now you want to raise your vibration. You have done this, you have done this, you want to raise your vibration. Find the group of positive people where you can say, and that vibration, when collective vibrate, your vibration raises up. Now, if you need to watch out whether you are associated with negative people or you are associated with positive people, because which association you are there, you are going to vibrate that. That's why you will find whether thief people are there or where the ill people are there, all together they raise vibration. I am very ill, I am very I'm feeling bad. Or negative people, when the complaint people are there, you'll be finding together, इसका ये problem है, उसका वो problem है, उसका ये वो problem है. They raise vibration, collective vibration. This is what we say, collective energy, collective vibration. One person, I have told you, one person, if you remember the diagram, you vibrate that way, you are transferring to this, and this person also vibrate same frequency. Then whole as a collective frequency, you all together raises our vibration. Now it is up to us to whom you are to associate. This three method definitely, if you follow, is raises your vibration in natural way. Thank you. Thank you for